In this video, we will go over the ignore input of the seam removal node. To use the ignore input, we will need to feed it a black and white mask. In this case, we'll use it to remove certain artifacts from our initial material. To do this, we'll use the mask paint node and paint out areas we want to remove from our final material. Input the result into the seam removal node and execute. Looking at the before and after, we can see that the areas painted have been seamlessly removed. Another useful way to use the ignore input is to fill in areas of unwanted artifacts. Here we have a scan that has missing data. Again, we'll add a mask paint node and we can paint the areas that we want filled in, and finally the leaves to remove them. The result is a fully tileable material with the missing areas filled in and leaves removed. Another use case is if we want to extract parts of an existing material into their own tileable version. Here, I want a material with only the green leaves. So like before, we'll use the mask paint node and paint in areas that I want in my final material. This time I'll use an invert node on the mask paint to create an inverse of what I just painted. Let's execute the node, and now we have a tileable material of just the foliage areas which I can use to blend into other materials.